Okay, this is my server. I'm using HP 380 ProLiant 9th generation. This is the front panel of our server. There is a DVD player and writer, a VGA for monitor display, two USB ports 2.0. This is spaces for more HDD base. This is my main HDD place. This is the power button. And this is the UID blue light. We're gonna talk about it later. This is the issues LED and the network LED. This is a 3.0 USB, and this place you can use it to save some information like an activation license or serial number. On the hard disks part, I'm using two SAS HDD 1.2 terabytes hard drives. To pull it, just click the red button and pull. It's so easy. And also to push it like this. Just push and click. Click the red button and pull. And to place it, just push it like that and click. That's it. On the side of our server, we found just a metal bar to place it. And this is the front panel. Talking about the front panel, there is some buttons and LEDs. This is the power button, lights orange if the server is off and lights green if it's on. We have the UID button. Imagine you have many servers and one monitor. You want to know which server you are working on. You just light it in blue to know. Imagine you want to put a USB drive in the server that you are working on. You know it by this blue light. This is a real working right now server. You see, just click. That's it. This is the issues LED, blinks in orange if anything wrong in your server. Like my case in here, it lights in orange because I have an HDD drive not working well. This is it. And this is the NIC network, blinks in green if you have some traffic in your network. It's the same method in all HP servers. One of the most part that you should know it is the hard drive LEDs. You should know what means each LED. Here in the official website of HP servers, we found this guide right here. It helps you a lot. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about the most things that you should know. We don't go deeper. Okay, you should understand this LED right here and this, the circle LEDs, and this LED when we push the button. And after I will explain in here, I'm gonna show you in the real world. Okay, let's start with this LED right here. 3. Let's go to 3. This LED name is do not remove LED. When this LED is solid white color, that means do not remove the drive. Removing the drive causes one or more of the logical drives to fail. That means this hard drive right now, if this LED is white, do not remove it. If you remove it, that causes fail on your red array or your logical drives. This is if lights in white, solid white. When this LED is off, that means removing the drive does not cause a logical drive to fail. Means if this LED not lighting white or it's off, not lighting at all, that means you can remove this drive even if it works. Let's go to the circle LEDs and this center LED. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is 5 LEDs in this part. Let's go to 2 to understand the circle for LEDs. 2, this is it. This is the activity ring LED. Rotating in green means drive activity. When these LEDs are rotating are rotating in green, that means the hard drive is reading or writing. There is activity. If the ring LEDs is off, equal no drive activity. Doesn't mean that the drive doesn't work. Maybe it means there is no need in the of this hard drive data right now. Going to the center LED, number 4. This is, I think this is a real important part. Solid green means the drive is a member of one or more logical drives. Flashing green, the drive is rebuilding or performing a red migration. Flashing amber green, the drive is a member of one or more logical drives and predicts the drive will fail. Flashing amber, the drive is not configured and predicts the drive will fail. Solid amber, the drive has failed. Off, the drive is not configured by a red controller. You should know just maybe 3 things. If this 4 LED is off, means the drive is not configured by a red controller, so the server doesn't even know it. And if this 4 LED is amber, solid amber, like an orange, the drive has failed. Means the server is know this drive, but it failed. It failed on the array or in the RAID configuration. Solid green, the drive is a member of one or more logical drives and it's working well. Now let's show you in the real world, because I really have a bad case in my working server right now. Let's show you. Welcome to the real world. I have a problem on my server. Because of that, it's blinking in orange, like we said before. I have 4 SAS drives using RAID 5. The RAID 5 working in minimum of 3 hard drives. I'm using 4. Because of this, when the 4th drive is failed, there is the red light. I can't remove any hard drive. If I remove, will be a big problem. All system will fail. Like you see, the green ring LEDs means that there's activity right now. The system is working well, but I have this orange LED means this hard drive are failed. Okay, this is the back panel of our server. This is the power supply. It has 2 places, the main and the secondary power supply. So if one fails, the other, it keeps the server alive. To pull it, just follow this red arrow. Push it to the left and pull like this. This is it. Is not like a simple PC power supply. It's special for HP servers. To place it, just like this. Push it until you hear a click sound. That's it. We have a VGA for monitor display port. We have Ethernet ports for 1 gigabyte Ethernet ports. We have these special ports, ELO, is for IT technicians to follow the health of the server from a web-based interface. We have two USB 3.0 ports. Also, we have the UID that we have talked about it. Also, we have some extensions like to add more Ethernet ports or something, or like GPUs. And this is the back panel. Okay, now let's go inside the server. We have this piece right here. It's easy to open it. Just push this button and pull this plastic piece like this. You can pull the whole board like this. It's so easy. That's it. Don't be scared. It's just an advanced computer, a server. This is it. It has power supply, CPUs, GPU, and RAMs. You just imagine it like an advanced computer. Our server has two processors. Each processor has its RAMs. Changing the RAM in a server, it's not like a normal computer. You should follow the instruction printed on the board. If you don't know these things, don't try to do anything. You should first learn. This is it. Also, it has a lot of cooling fans because it, it does a lot of work. Make it hot. Okay, I have captured the printed notice on the board just to give you an idea how to change RAMs in HP server. I'm using HP 380 DL 9th generation model ProLiant. This is the instructions. Let's read it. In our server, we have two processors. Each processor has 12 slots of RAM. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's read it right here. Before installing DIMMs, review the following population guidelines. Each processor has 4 channels, 3 DIMMs slots per channel. Like take an example, this processor 2 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 channels. Each channel has 3 slots. Okay. Always populate DIMMs evenly across channels. When one processor is installed, only install DIMMs in the 4 channels associated with that processor. When 2 processors are installed, balance, look at this, balance the total capacity of the DIMMs across the channels for both processors. Okay, the DIMM slot color denotes how to populate the channels. You refer to the DIMM population order. White populates all the white DIMM slots for each installed processor first. Look at this first, in alphabetic order, A, B, C, D, then the black, then the blue. Okay, let's stop reading and start making things happen. Let's take an example. I have just one processor, this CPU P2. I don't have a processor right here. I'm gonna show you here theoretically and go to the real world, to the server. Okay, I have just one processor in here, and maybe I have just 8 RAMs. I just have 8 RAMs. Okay? How to do? Always start filling in order. Start with the white slots, then go to the black slots, then go to the blue slots. Okay? And start alphabetically like this. When start with white, like this: A, B, C, D. Then go to the black: E, F, G, H. Then to the blue. Let's assume that I have 8 RAMs. You need to make sure that all RAMs are the same size and the same type and the same frequency. Anything else, you will get some problem in performance or the server won't even start. Okay? Okay. I have 8 RAMs. Start first RAM in the first white slot, A. Put it in here. Then the second in here. Then third in here, C. Then the fourth in here, D. This is just 4 RAMs and I have 8. Okay? First A, then B, then C, then D. Right now, I can start the server. All is work good. The other 4 RAMs, because I have 8, immediately go to the black section, to the second slope. Like we read here, E, F, G, H. The fifth RAM in here, E, then F, then G, then H. Start the server, all works well. But in condition, all RAMs are the same size and the same frequency and the same type. Okay? Let's take another example. I have 12 RAMs, all the same type, the same size, the same frequency. Start with the the white channel and the black and the blue. Let's place those 12 RAMs one by one. Put the first in here, A, then B, then C, then D. This is the white. Then E, F, G, H. This is the black. Then E, J, K, L. And this is the blue. This is 12 RAMs. Let's take another example. Let's assume I have 2 processors. This is processor 1 and this is 2. And I have just 8 RAMs. The same type, the same frequency, the same size. Okay? We have read here, in here, when 2 processors are installed, balance the total capacity of the DIMMs across the channels for both processors. That means if I have 8 RAMs as an example, we put 4 RAMs here and 4 RAMs here. Okay, let's do it. I have 8 RAMs. Okay, start with processor number 1. In the same order, start with the white, then the black, then the blue. I have here just 4 RAMs. The first here, A, the second in the B, then C, then D. Stop, this is 4 RAMs. And for the second processor, start in here, A, B, C, D. All is good, the server will work. I think now you understand. Let's go to the real world and show you how I have placed my RAMs in our server. I have just one processor in this socket, P2. Let's go. Okay, this is my server. I have just one processor installed and I have 12 RAMs, 6 RAMs in each side. They are all in the same type and the same frequency and the same size, like I have told you before. Look, 32 gigabytes, frequency is 2133 megahertz, and all the same type. I have installed them in order, starting with the white slots, then the black slots, then the blue slots. Like you see, in order alphabetically, A, B, C, D, and the black, then the blue, in order. All is working good. And that's it.